morgen. Det er søndag i dag. Skal vi stå opp, og skal vi gå på litt tur? Ja. Right, anyway. Today I'm just going to have a little chat about some of the differences between light therapy and drug therapy. And some of the things that make light therapy so kind of amazing and specific to you. And the easiest way to frame it is, if you think of drug therapies are often designed to act on a specific receptor to have a specific response. So so you think of it, if you put fuel in a car. Fuel in a car goes in to do one thing, to produce a result. Whereas light therapy is a little bit more complex. Light therapy is a little bit more individual. Light therapy is more like giving a family that needs help some money. Now, you know that your part of the action is giving some money to that family that needs help financially. Okay, so that is the light shining onto your body and working on particular receptors or chromophores on the mitochondria, also releasing nitric oxide, etc. That's what you know. That's what you know is happening. Okay, so your part is that's you giving the money. But after you've given that money, the downstream effects, the gene expression changes, the protein changes, are specific to you. And that's the same as you don't know what is going to happen to your money when you give the money to the family. They might use it for food, they might use it for nappies for the baby, they might use it to pay some bills, because that's individual to them, much like light is individual to you. It's not programmed to do something. Your body decides what to do with that light. And I've seen it time and time again when I get reports back from people that have bought my lights that they've bought it for one thing and it's helped with that, but they've also seen this and this happen. And they never really thought about that helping or happening. And I'm like, but that's the great thing about light, is your body takes in that light and it has its effect on those specific receptors, and then downstream your body decides what to do with it. And so it's not a designed drug for a designed mechanism for a designed output. Your body decides what to do with that light, and that might change depending on when you use it. But the great thing is your body is very smart. Your body will decide what to do with the positives you're giving it for the best possible result for you. So whether we're talking about like you've got inflammation in your gut and you've never really thought about it, and you start shining the red light, and all of a sudden things just start to feel better. The inflammation in your body that you didn't really know was there, you felt a bit bloated, but it had been so long that you it's not something that registers. You just got on with it, and now all of a sudden you start to find that you just function better. You're not as bloated, things aren't as painful, you're not as stiff in the morning, and that's your body deciding what to do with it. Even though you might have bought the red light for a completely other reason, your body decided to do with that red light what it wanted to do with the red light, and that's what it found. Oh look, I can do this, and I can actually help with other inflammatory processes, or I can help pain or performance in other aspects. And that's one of the wonderful, wonderful things about photobiomodulation, is you can use it for specific things and target specific things, but you can also get systemic benefits from it that perhaps you didn't even think about. And I think that is quite wonderful, because it has the ability to remind you of what it's possible to feel like. And that's pretty important in this day and age. What it's possible to feel like, how much energy it's possible to have, how little time it should take you to wake up in the morning, how well you can sleep, and these things that we kind of forget. And that's why red light therapy, photopole modulation, is amazing, because it's not a drug that is designed to work on a specific receptor, designed to give one effect. Light therapy is designed to give your body effectively what it needs in order to make your body function better in some way, shape or form. And your body will do that without you having to program it. Your body will do that. And for me, that is absolutely wonderful, and something that every single person should be doing. Have a great day.